Good day, everyone. I am Chin A. Baldove, and today I will discussing about animal racing focused on hogs racing. So, what is animal racing? Animal racing or livestock farming involves breeding and managing animals for product like meat, milk, eggs, and wool. Sustainable practices are crucial to minimize environmental impact. The economic and social significance is considerable, providing livelihoods and cultural value. But today, we will going to focus about hog racing. So what is hog racing? Hog racing, also known as pig farming, is the practice of breeding, raising, and managing domestic pigs primarily for meat production. It involves providing pig with appropriate housing, nutrition, healthcare, and other resources to ensure their growth and well-being. Now, let's move on to different breeds of hogs. First is the Hampshire. The pig looks smaller than other breeds. The ears are erect, tail are usually black, and legs are short. So, Hampshire are often valued for their lean meat and efficient feed conversion. The second is the Duroc. This breed comes from New Jersey. It has dark red and golden yellow color. It is also a good producer of milk and has good mothering characteristics. They are known for their long bodies and high growth rates. The third one is the Yorkshire. This breed is commonly raised in Canada. It has large ears with black and white spots. This breed is good source of meat for making bacon. Also known for their proficiency and maternal instinct. And the fourth one is the Landrace. This breed from Denmark. It has white hair and skin. Its ears are large in size and cover much of its face. Its meat is best for making bacon, ham, and pork chop. This characteristic makes them highly desirable for meat producers. The next one is the Hereford. This breed has well-muscled back, well-developed ham, and has high carcass quality. It has superior milking qualities. And next is the Poland China. This breed is black color with white of its feet, tail, and face. It has thick hams. And the last one is the Tamworth. This has a long narrow head, long snout, and erect ears. The body is light and dark color. Its meat is best for making bacon. Also, Tamworth pigs produce meat particularly well suited for bacon due to its marbling and flavored profile. Overall, hog racing plays a crucial role in our local economy and food security. By employing sound management practice, embracing innovative techniques, and addressing the challenge proactively, farmers can ensure the healthy growth of their pigs, contributing to a thriving agricultural sectors and providing reliable source of high-quality pork for our community. And that is all for my report. Thank you.